Hi, I'm David Deshanes. We had a pretty bad flood here. I should say 2 floods, and it was pretty devastating. Our house looked really upside down when the water came through here. We had 3.5 foot the first time, and the second time I don't know what. It wasn't as bad as the first one, but anyways, whenever we saw what we were up against, there was nothing really I could do to come in here and try to start tearing these walls out, and, trying to put our house back together. So I called MHC and Mitch, really nice friend of ours now. He came in and brought a crew of his, and they started tearing out sheetrock and getting all of our furniture out, and really clean the place up. Did a really good job, and just can't thank him anymore, especially for helping us and getting us back to normal.
So from our first flood in May 2016, we went ahead and took the opportunity to redo some stuff in the house. So the kitchen came to about right here was the start of the kitchen. So from this point back was I guess in the 1970s, it was like another sitting room or dining room is what they would call it. So that was from here back, and it had one door right here. So he recommended taking out this wall, pushing this back, turning half this room into a big pantry, a big walk-in pantry, move the oven to over here. Now right here, from this wall here was like another fur down that came to about like right here, all the way across. This was a solid wall. This was closed off right here. The entryway to this room was by the front door over there. And that worked out really well. I get so many compliments on these doors. Everybody asks me, where did you get them? And I told them, they're like, yeah, but are they painted? I was like, no, they're stained. So they did a very good job on the staining of these doors. They match the cabinets. And our restroom here is completely redone. We had a long counter all the way across, very old cabinets. He moved the tub. The tub used to be pushed over this way. There was a closet that came all the way to here with shuttered doors. He put in a linen closet, made a toilet closet here. And then in our master bedroom was completely changed too. In here into the restroom, we completely changed this as well. The vanities used to be here, and there was a tub right here, and the 2 vanities were here, and that was my closet. This wall was my closet. So he closed that off with the door on that side, moved it, moved all the plumbing over to this wall, took out the tub, put the vanities over here, opened this up very well, and then put in a really nice size shower, drain, and then made a toilet closet there.
So we want to thank MHC and Mitch for his fast response during the flood. He was here the very next day, which we can't ask for anything better or more than that. From the bottom of our heart, thank you so much for getting our family back into our house.
We can't thank you enough.
It means a lot to us to be able to be back in our house so fast. I don't know what to say more than that. Thank you.
Thank you.